If you want to have access to quick upload feature to Terabox, then what you can actually do is go around over here onto the Terabox settings. So let me just go around over here onto settings right here. Then you can see that quick upload is an option. Simply go around over here and then enable the plugin when Terabox runs, where you can hold the middle mouse button to upload, that is to quickly upload out some content, or you can even use Ctrl+1 to upload out that content quickly. Let's say, for example, I want to go around over here onto this particular file. Let me just hold the middle mouse button right here. Then you actually have the Terabox quick upload feature. So you can click on upload to quick right here. Then what happens is that Terabox will upload that particular file quickly. So if I were to go around onto Terabox right here, then you can see that this has been added in the quick settings right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead right here and enable out the floating window right here, just like this, then you'll be able to see it right here, just like this as well. So let's just go around over here, do the same right here. So you can see that I can go around over here. You can see that I can open up Terabox right here or upload to quick. Since I added one already, you can see that it is disabled because this one is not completed yet. So this is how you can go ahead and utilize the quick upload feature inside of Terabox desktop application. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.